Hey guys, Ollie here from Local Knowledge. Gonna teach you one of the most useful knots you can possibly have when you're fishing, and it is probably the easiest knot besides tying your shoes. Today's knot I'm gonna show you is gonna be the surgeon's loop. You just take any kind of line, make a loop, okay? Take that loop and wrap it around itself and just make an overhand knot. Pass it through one more time. Pull it tight, and you've just made your first surgeon's loop. That easy, okay? Let me show you how I use this knot in my everyday fishing. So out here in California, we use a rig we call the dropper loop. Guys in Florida call it a chicken rig. I like to use fluorocarbon. Seagar 60 pound is usually what I use. Seems crazy for bottom fishing, but you'll see why I like it. I want to strip off about 8 feet of line, and I do this all the time. Cut it, okay? I got a loop at the bottom, probably a little bit bigger than I need. I'm gonna come up from the bottom about 2 feet. I'm gonna grab another section of line, wrap it over itself, go back through, and I'm gonna form another loop. Pull it tight, done. I'm gonna go up above this guy, another, I don't know, a couple feet, something like that, make a loop, go through the loop, pull it tight. You can see I've just tied 3 surgeon's loops in less than a minute. So now let me show you how I put this to work on my boat. Bottom loop, torpedo sinker, slip it through. Now you hang your torpedo sinker. Next loop. Take my hook. I use this rig a lot when I'm rock fishing, and I like a big old circle hook. Just loop the hook on the line. Some people will tie the hook on with a Palomar knot. Never really been necessary for me. I'm gonna go up the line to my next loop. Do a really quick rinse and repeat. This is heavier line. I'm using a lighter hook, so you really got to crimp it down a little bit with your finger. Get it through the eye. Loop it over the hook. And then at the top here, I usually just tie on a swivel with the uni knot. As you can see, I've got a dropper loop bottom fishing rig in under a minute. Now, we do a lot of this bottom fishing, and of course you're gonna get snagged, you're gonna get cut off, whatever. I'll sit on the couch one night, maybe have a cold one, put together 5, 6, 7, or 8 of these, put them in individual Ziploc bags, and I'm ready to go bottom fishing the next day. Again, surgeon's loop, super simple, super useful. You could use this almost every day on the boat. If you enjoy this video, please check out Mercury's channel for more videos like this, and also follow us at Local Knowledge on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. We've got tons more how-to fishing content like this, and we'd love to share it with you. Thanks for watching.